Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers, and welcome to our YouTube channel where it's everything flowers and creative craft projects. We're not doing flowers today. I know! We're making witch cookies. I know, you say, what are those witch cookies? Check this out. Can you see that? It's a beautiful little shortbread cookie. So I'm just trying to squeeze every little last bit of Halloween to make it feel normal. Did you guys see our candy slide video? It's so cute. You can make a candy slide to social distance the trick-or-treaters for 25 bucks. So be sure and look at that video. It's amazing. My friend Cam, she made them at a dinner party last year, and I saw them this year and I'm like, I gotta make those. So I got the recipe from Simply Good Recipes. We simplified it and we'll have the link below. So are you ready? We're gonna make cookies in the YouTube flower studio. I know, weird. So check this out. This is super easy. And of course we start with my favorite thing, butter. I know, I use unsalted butter for everything. I'm not sure why. I think my friend and mentor Joan Shipley told me to use that. And so you want to have it room temperature, or what I usually do is pop it in the microwave for 10 seconds, right? So I already put 2 cubes of butter, so we're going to see if this is too loud. You start mixing the butter, and then you're going to go ahead and have 1 cup of confectionery sugar. That's powdered sugar. It makes the texture a little bit better, so we're going to go ahead and add that in. I feel like Julia Child. I know, it's so fun. Okay, so check this out. Just 1 egg. So 1 cup butter, 1 cup powdered sugar, and 1 egg. Check that out. Super easy. I forgot the eggs, so the guy down the hallway at the deli, he gave me an egg. So cool. And now we need to add our flavoring. And this recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. My mom has lived in Mexico in this beautiful town called Todos Santos. And hi Mom. She watches all my videos. But she has the best vanilla that comes in her town. Mom, I'm almost out. I need more vanilla. So this just smells like, I don't know what it smells like, but it is beautiful and I love it so much. It's just so rich and aromatic. Even Caesar can smell it behind the camera. It's amazeballs. So I'm gonna get this speed up a little bit higher. Okay, next up, since I used unsalted butter, I'm gonna use this beautiful salt. This is like a sea salt, and I like my salt. I'm a salt girl. If you're not a salt girl or boy, then just use half a teaspoon. I'm using a full teaspoon. Next part is the flour. So this is 2 3/4 cup. And I don't want to get it all over me, so I'm just gonna pour it in there. Next up, we have baking powder. And just 1 teaspoon of this. Usually I put it in at the very end. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of that. I didn't quite get it perfect. So we'll let that guy mix up. And I actually already have the dough pre-mixed, but I just wanted to show you what happens when we add the food coloring. So I like these old-fashioned ones. These are from Betty Crocker. Check this out. You know, it's like the one that you get in the yellow, red, and blue and green. So I made 2 different kinds. So I have a light green and a dark green. So I'm just gonna do maybe a little bit of just a couple drops because I kind of like the light green. And then you refrigerate the dough for a half an hour. You really have to do this because it holds its beautiful finger shape if you do that. So check this out. I pre-made little balls. In the recipe it tells you just to make a finger shape, but you know, I'm a little bit OCD and A-type, so I was like, no, I don't want to do that. So I made little balls. After it comes out of the refrigerator, you form it into little, and I measured them and I did 0.7 to 8 ounce balls. And then I started to get like the amount right and they all look the same. So then to make the finger, I know this is the fun part, you just rub the ball and form it in between its fingers, and it's in between your fingers, sorry. and it naturally makes this finger shape. And it looks a little bloopy right now, but I promise it will look pretty. So we'll make a few, so just so you can see. So go ahead and do this. And then you kind of want a stubby part, and you can form it a little bit. So you just kind of stretch them. And the cool thing about measuring these little balls to 0.7 ounces per is that they're all super consistent. So you could do it on the cutting board as well. I don't know, I think I like doing it in my hands, but it is a little bit more bloopy. And then you need the unblanched whole almonds. These were a little tricky to find, so I ended up going to kind of more of a fruit stand grocery store, and then you're just gonna push it at the end because I like the nail tip, right? You like the nail to hang over the finger. Sorry, I got lost in cookie land. Oh my God. I just love these so much. I've made like 5 batches now, and so I'm gonna put the almonds, and then next up, check this out, you're gonna get a toothpick or a knife or anything. We gotta make the knuckle marks. So then you do 2 little pieces, 2 little stripes right here for this part, and then the knuckle, go ahead and do 3, right? And they look fantastic. These are so fun. You could do it with a knife, but I tried it with a knife. Whoops, I did 3 there. I tried it with a knife and it was just a little too skinny. I guess you could do with the back of a paring knife, that would work too. So those are ready to go in the oven. And the recipe says 325 is the temperature for, let's see, 20 to 25 minutes. I did mine at 15 minutes. So we are gonna pop these in the oven, and then all of a sudden they're done, right? Because I pre-made them last night at home. And just so you know, when you take them out of the oven, the nail, the almond is gonna fall off. So don't freak out, it's okay, because we have to glue them back on with this Betty Crocker writing gel. This is red writing gel, and that's where we're gonna get the blood underneath the fingernail. I know, so I'll just lay out my fingers. I've been having so much fun, like, don't give me the finger, and kind of goofing off with these things. I know, I'm pretty much a 12-year-old. So you get the red gel, and I just did 1 drop in the middle. And you want enough so the blood or this icing will kind of bleed out into the nail. And then you're just gonna go ahead and press them in there. And you wanna make sure that these are cooled for at least 15 minutes once they come out of the oven, because they won't stick. So check this out, looks so good, right? So I also put the pointy end of the almond over the front of the cookie, just so it looks like kind of a broken nail, right? So cute. I can barely take it. These things are so amazing, and they taste good as well. Okay, so you can put them in little containers. I'm gonna, for my book club, I'm gonna put them in little black Chinese to-go boxes, and I'm gonna deliver them on everybody's doorstep, but look how cute this is. So this could be a little place card. A little plate of fingers looks great. So pretty much, they're so fun, and you gotta taste one. They're so good. I know, I've eaten so many of these. We're gonna put the recipe, and thank you, what is her cute name? Oh, Janet Barton from Simply Good Recipes. We love you, Janet. You did a great job, and you're gonna make so many people happy. So sorry I'm talking with my mouth full, but thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe, hit that alert bell, and watch our other videos. I love you, bye.